Good morning, guys. This is G here, G's Loft. Welcome to this rainy day. Some of my breeders. All the cocks in here are Frank McLaughlin, and all the hens are from Kenny White. This section is a cross. This round from this hen is gonna be donated to some new members in the club. Only the fourth round will be donated. So if they don't lay by a certain date, then they'll be separated. This is her fourth round. These are her babies right here. They feel nice. They feel very nice. Nice soft feathers. Nice, very nice. They're looking good. They are looking good. They are going on their fourth round. These are their babies. Ooh, feisty. Double slap. And the head doesn't. Oh, never mind. She does. That's how I like my babies to be. And then they're like this. We got eggs down there. It's a very nice bird. She's paired up with this Staff Van Reek cock here. 100% Staff Van Reek. So these babies up here will be donated. There's like 2 new club members. And welcome, guys. I'm coming aboard. One of them is a good buddy of mine, and another one is from his same town. And I'm gonna help them out with some birds. They want to fly young birds, so we're gonna do it. Let's go check out some other side here. This is one of my young bird sections. Come on, guys. We get the bell. They react better to the bell. They go crazy. They come to my feet like they want it. Get a bell, guys. Get a bell. It works. Oh, look at that. Right off the nest. Jesus Christ. That's part of pigeon keeping. It is. This section isn't clean yet. I don't know if this is a fourth round or not. I gotta check. But she got 2 nice reds. I believe these are fourth rounds right here. I've got two babies in the corner. Believe it or not, that's my first round for that pair. The hen, she has a little story. I bred her for stock. She's 100% Frank McLaughlin hen, bloodline. I bred her for stock and then I sold her. She never been out. She went from the bowl to the breeding pen. And I sold her. She got out on someone. And it was like a year later. And then a year later came. And there she was on top of my coop. I'm like, which bird is this? Like, I don't have no bird like this flying right now. I look up the band number. I'm like, how the hell did you make it home? Over like 45-minute drive, even more. Never been out before. And boom, there she is. The closest to outside she been is on the aviary like that. Out there. That's it. That's the closest to the outside world she got. And she's with a cock that didn't breed at all this year. So I put them two together and they got two babies. They got some babies here that it's dark in here, that I'm gonna move over Saturday. There's a nice mealy right there. That's the father, the light red. The hen is on the bowl. It's one of my favorite pairs. That boy got hawked, and I'm trying to bring him back. But we got babies up there and eggs. We got eggs here. This hen, that hen right there is an Alex Beach hen, okay? She was paired up. These are her babies. This is an interesting story. These are her babies, okay? She was paired up with that chocolate cock. And this big boy right here on the floor, he was paired up with a daughter to the freak, which she's in the young bird pen. He was raising two set of babies that was up here. The door was closed. I just pulled them down. And all of a sudden, that hen that was paired with this cock is now with this cock, has eggs, and she's left two babies behind. That's crazy. I never seen that happen. Never. Guys, even birds cheat on their lifelong living partners. Even birds do it. Animals do it. Not knowing the concept of it, but even they do it. Left her husband, her male bird, with the babies in the bowl. Babies in the bowl. With another male bird. And she's on eggs with him and his box. Even birds cheat, man. So this pair here, they've been having trouble. This is their top shelf here. And I probably had one baby out of them, and the bastard looks amazing, feels great. Every time they have eggs, some red cock comes up here and breaks them all on her. Every single time. She was on her 4th round of eggs, and the babies were already formed inside the eggshell, and they were on the floor when I walked in, both dead. Some red cock here. There he is, right? Is that? Yeah, I think it's him. If it's not him, it's him. They just go up there when the hen is like laying down. They think the hen is squatting for them to hop on top, and he goes in there as well on that hen in there. It's crazy. But other than that, I'm gonna breed because I should have been this pair was separated. A lot of my hens were already separated, and look at this, beautiful. I love the white birds. Look at them. They're top shelf birds. Always was. So I'm doing it for the 2 members of the club, because I got well over 80 some pigeons, and by the time I'm done with everything, I'll have like around 100 and plus pigeons. So I'm gonna help out the guys. I would like to see them fly, and it's nice to see them fly your birds, you know, so to see what they do in different areas. That being said, that's it, guys. I got the other young birds. Let's go check them out real quick. It's pouring outside. I don't want to get wet, but let's do it. They're over there with the lights on. This is one. This is my main coop. Okay. Hello, boys and girls. There's 43 pigeons in here. They were outside getting a bath, but I have this like deep litter type of system. It's not even deep because there's the plywood right there, and I didn't want everything to get all wet and moisty, and so I shut the windows. They can stay in here. They're looking good. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. You guys used to the bell, huh? You're looking at me like, what is in your hands? They look real nice, these birds. They are very nice. These birds been out over 30 something times. They're just, the 9th and 10th is just growing in. As you can see in that one. Can't really see it. The 9th and 10th just grew in, like just almost finished, almost. Another week and it'll be 100%. And then training begins. They all go in the basket. I'll let them go in front of the coop and gradually start the distance. This is just in the yard. And then after they form a nice tight circle in the sky, that's when I start. You gotta start quick The routing part, birds don't really need a route for you to start training. That's not true. I don't believe in it. Birds, once they're up in the sky, they can see miles and miles and miles away, over 20 plus miles each direction they're flying. You know, and they'll pull away like a half a mile from the loft, a mile, and they'll come back around. You know, so they recognize the area. They can see the area. Birds are smart. So I'm not knocking no one out that saying birds have to route before you start training. If that's what you believe, hey, that's what you believe. You know, apparently I don't need to have my birds routed for you to start taking them out. It's good. It's real good for them to, if you have them do that, you know, disappear for an hour, and then you see the whole group come back. That's beautiful, you know. But if they're flying real tight circle for over an hour in the sky, 40 minutes, 35 minutes, almost every day you let them out, then yeah, it's time to go. It's roll time, and they'll be just fine. Well, guys, this is G here, and thank you for watching. These are the young birds, and I'm excited for this year. I really am. I got a partner, and these birds are gonna be well trained and ready to rock and roll. Check you guys out on the next one.